Two, it helped to minimize the environmental impact by recommending materials and construction methods that were both durable and eco-friendly. This resulted in a design that not only met but exceeded environmental standards. Furthermore, AI was instrumental in reducing costs. It streamlined the design process by automating repetitive tasks, freeing up engineers to focus on more complex aspects of the project. This efficiency gain led to significant cost savings, making the project more financially viable. In this case, AI not only revolutionized the design process, but also contributed to creating a safer, more sustainable infrastructure. However, this revolution brings with it a new challenge: the AI talent gap in civil engineering. The rapid integration of AI in civil engineering has skyrocketed the demand for AI skills, yet there's a conspicuous shortage of such skills in the industry. It's like having a sports car, but no driver skilled enough to navigate it at top speed. The implications? Severe. Without the right talent, the industry risks falling behind, unable to fully leverage the power of AI. The construction sites of tomorrow may remain trapped in today's manual methodologies, while counterparts in other industries race ahead. The infrastructure we depend on may not evolve at the pace we need, impacting everything from urban planning to environmental sustainability. The AI talent gap is more than just an industry problem, it's a societal issue. It's a pressing issue that needs to be addressed to harness the full potential of AI in civil engineering. So, how do we prepare for this future of work in civil engineering? It starts with curiosity and a hunger for knowledge. Delve into the world of artificial intelligence, understand its applications in civil engineering. Remember, in this rapidly evolving digital age, continuous learning is not just a choice, it's a necessity. Embrace new technologies, adapt, and evolve. The future of work in civil engineering is exciting and full of possibilities. Equip yourself with the necessary skills and be part of this revolution, because the future is not just coming, it's